a stroke of genius. He whittled it down to one. Here's The Rock.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it's for the World Wrestling Federation Championship. In the ring, from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 275 pounds, The Rock!
And then after The Rock pin came, Triple H then assaulted The Rock with a steel chair. We are down to number one contender. He is The Rock. His shot is here. It is now with a title
His
on the
opponent,
line.
being accompanied by the World Wrestling Federation Women's Champion, Stephanie McMahon Helmsley, from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing in at 260 pounds. He is the World Wrestling Federation Champion, Triple H!
I gotta ask you this though, JR. We heard Triple H tell the entire faction in the game on The Rock. The WWE title on the line. Here we go. It's on. It's Dale's here on. Oh, The Rock hit Rock with right hands. Laying the smackdown on the game for the WWF title. It exploded right out of the corner to the challenger with a thunderous forearm.
Oh my gosh.
Triple H planned to just come in here and have to pick up pieces, but instead, The Rock's recuperated. He's on fire! The Rock with a lot of velocity and power, taking Triple H all the way to the corner and over the top to the floor. Oh, and The Rock with pin-up rage since Judgment Day.
I think too much time lapsed between now and the time Triple H hit The Rock with that chair.
Oh! The Rock driving Triple H's face into the steel steps. The WWF champion in trouble. Look out!
Come on, guys!
The Rock, you don't want to get disqualified. Earl Hebner, who has no love lost for the faction. Wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute.
We're trying to do a show here, you know? Come on, Rock.
You're going to get yourself disqualified.
This is not good.
You're going to get yourself disqualified, Rock. Get yourself under control. The Rock's got the WWF champion here on our table. Good God Almighty. Look out! Oh, Triple H. And the Rock, look out! He's fighting his nose. Oh, the love of God. Triple H's body just bounced off the table like it was concrete.
Are you all right, Triple H?
No, he's not all right. He can't be all
You want
right.
me to call for the faction?
Rip! Don't do it!
Hebner, do your job!
The low blow!
Damn,
You gotta get yourself disqualified, Rock!
He should have been disqualified a long time ago. We got no faction out here. We got Earl Hebner, the referee. Thank goodness Triple H is...
The Rock shoulder first into those steps, and the game wisely rolling back into the ring, which thus far may be the safest place in this damn match.
Oh my gosh.
And the game up the apron, nailing a Rock in the head with a high impact shot.
Now listen to Hebner. He's threatening to disqualify Triple H. Let The Rock do anything he wants to.
I think Hebner's a hell of an official, but you may be right. He can't be totally objective after what all Triple H and the faction have done to Earl Hebner.
Now the Rock put his hands on him.
Being dissected here by the game. The game, the best in the business. I like that to date. And The Rock firing back. Huge right hands. But it's reversed by the game, who can't connect.
Oh my God!
But he does connect with that knee. The Rock in the face. A knockdown.
Wow.
And there's a cover. Lateral press and a near fall.
Oh, Stephanie, be careful.
A long 2 count.
This idiot Hebner's, he's capable of anything.
The game in the mount position on The Rock. Right hand's right to the temple. It's as if The Rock had a bullseye drawn on his temple.
Come on, JR, give credit to the.
His reply was. And
Look at this.
the measurement and the connection. What a knee, a thunderous knee drop. Right to the head.